boys and girls, I've got a really fun activity for you to do today. Making Play-Doh in your own house with a grown-up. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you need. You need plain flour, some salt, a little drop of oil, some paint if you want the Play-Doh to be in a colour of your choice, and a cup of water. Okay, so Miss Casey will show you now how to start. So first of all, you add 1 cup of flour into a bowl. Then you add your other cup of flour, so you need 2 cups of flour altogether. Then you add 1 cup of salt. So you add your salt. Now, get your oil and you add a tiny drop of oil. There we go, just a tiny bit. And then we're going to add a little drop of water at a time. And we're going to get something, anything in your house that you can use to mix the Play-Doh in. And get your water and keep adding a drop of water until your Play-Doh becomes nice and firm, nice and hard, okay? Mix around. Mix. And then, Miss Casey's going to move that aside now just to be quicker. It should look something like this, okay? So you can roll it, squeeze it, you can make numbers out of it, make sounds out of it, and then just have fun.